Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, sport suspension, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, smart access key, dual zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability history, and excellent dealer service. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.